everybody. Today we are going to start with HTML coding. So our favorite program software to do HTML coding or web development is Visual Studio Code. When you Google it, I'm sure that you can find it easily and then you can download on your computer. So from here we can go file and open file or Control O. Sorry, we can go to new text file and then we can select a language, and then our language is going to be HTML. HTML is a language, fundamental one for web development, and then it stands for HyperText Markup Language. So HyperText Markup Language. So it helps us to define the content and structure of the web page. Since we are here, let's save our work first. Okay, so we can save as. When we save our work, we can choose a place, maybe on desktop or in my documents. Let's choose for desktop for now. Let's create a new folder and then give a name, maybe HTML works for now. Okay, and then let's save everything in the same folder. It's going to help us to organize ourselves, so it's going to be very beneficial. So now you can give any name, and then whatever name you give after it, you need to finish with .html. Now my file name is intro.html. Every time whatever you name give, HTML should be added as the extension and save. Okay, so for now we have the interface. Okay, so I want to remove these ones. Okay, and then close it. So when we start, we need to know one thing. HTML uses the tags like tag. So to define the content, when we start with a tag, we use this structure, angle brackets, and then the name of the tag, and then we put our content, whatever we want to put, and then after we are done, we need to close the tag. See, angle bracket tag and then other angle bracket. When we are done with our content or our text, let's say our text or our content, and then we need to close the tag. Okay, so the difference between opening tag and closing tag, in front of the closing tag we have a slash, forward slash, and then we are going to complete our tag. For example, if you want to create a paragraph, we are going to start with p tag. We are going to write our sentence, for example, everyone from 7 to 70 loves chocolates. So this is what we can write. The tag structure here, I think we finished. As you see, we are plugging p in place of tag, and then we are putting slash p in place of slash tag. So then I'm going to erase it. So this was just an example. So we can continue the same thing like the opening tag. For example, if you want to add heading 1, So let's put heading 1. For heading 1 we are going to use this tag. Okay, journey of chocolate, let's say. Okay, so now we have a heading 1 and then paragraph tag. Okay, so we are going to write other codes. What is the other code? For example, every HTML code starts with HTML. Even before the HTML, we need to declare doc type. Okay, so let's declare it doc type HTML, and then the second tag should be HTML. We are going to write all of our codes between HTML and then slash HTML. So this is going to be our last code. So inside HTML we are going to write two things. One of them is head. Sorry, head, and then the other one after the head, body starts. We can think this one as our body and head. So whenever our head finishes, our body starts. It's kind of strange because we are thinking that our head is not part of our body. So let's think about it. It's kind of strange and funny, but let's think about it. Our head starts, our head finishes, our body starts, and then our body finishes just before closing HTML tag. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to take all our content between our body and body, and then all we need to do is between head and head we are going to add a title. So I'm going to show you what this title tag does. So let's create chocolate now. Chocolate now. Okay, so this is the title. When we save our document, go file and then save. So we can do this one. We can click on show preview, and then this is the result of our code. When we look at the code, title is going to be whatever we see on title bar. Okay, chocolate now is going to be on title bar. This is the title of the web page. Heading 1, journey of chocolate, so it's going to be here as heading 1. Paragraph is going to be here, everyone from 7 to 70 loves chocolate. So our web page is ready. Even when we go to our HTML works and then click on intro.html, so you'll be able to see our web page. So we have a web page right now consisting of heading 1 and paragraph, and our chocolate now is on title bar. Thank you.